So I'm going to show you how to assemble the box. This is a box of 5 by 10. It's a box it's on the side of the big box, and everything is 2 millimeters. First, I do the long sides. Hoop. I use PVA. I use only PVA for this box. So, here's the glue. This is the bottom. I put it right up, and then I push the side against it. And you have to make sure that this is nice and smooth, because you'll have to do a lot of sanding if it's not. Now for the other side. Glue, 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 glue. I put this box up and I pushed it against it. So you can see that the sides are on the bottom. Next, I have these little pieces in between. They fit in between if it's right. Yay, it's right. Oh. Doesn't matter. Take some more time. That was too fast. So. I glue 3 sides of this piece. 1, 2, 3. And I put it in between. And again, push, 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 because it has to be smooth, so that you don't have to sand a lot. Here's the last piece. I glue 3 sides. And I put this between. And here you can see I try to make it as smooth as possible. And this is your box. And I advise you to make the boxes my way, like I showed you, because if you don't, the measurements of this box are not right anymore. If you want a box, if this is not smooth enough, then you have to sand it now. This is the sanding paper, 100. And I sand it all over. And if you think it can be smoother, I have this very thin craft board paper thingy, and you can glue it against it. I'm not going to do that now, but I have a little box here and I did that, and you can see it's very smooth now. Now I'm going to let this dry, and then we are going to cover the box with wool cloth.